Hi, this is me. We are here now in the farmhouse. That's that's the farmhouse. That's our house here in the farm. We'll show you our chickens. We have new hatch chicks. Where are they? They are hiding. They're those chicks. That's our one dog. Oh, these are other chicks. I want to show you something. There are people working here on the sugarcane field. They are like harvesting sugarcane, putting it in the big truck. We'll show you. That's the truck for sugarcane. This is our house here in the farm. This one of our this is our dog. Her name is Tanggol. The other one is Smokey. There's another dog. There's another chicks here. There's another chickens here. New hatch chicks. There's another chickens here. New hatch chicks. Another dog here. Hi mga day. Maayong hapon. Perting inita. Ari kami sa Kampo Gaguna. Ari kami sa tubuhan sa Gaguna kami. Upod ang amon kasama yung mga aso namin. Yan ay kawayanan. Puro kawayan. Yan mga aso namin kasama namin. Nagtatanggal kami ng damo sa mga tubuhan. Malawak pa yung tatanggalan namin ng mga damo. Marami pa. Kami na yung nagtatanggal ng mga damo mga day kasi wala naman kaming ginagawa. Kaya okay lang kami magtanggal. Kaysa magbayad pa kami. Yan yung mga aso namin. Meron pa doon sa taas, yan ay mga Indian mango, puno ng Indian mango. Sa likuran yan, mga tubuhan pa. Tatanggalan pa namin ng mga damo. Dito tapos na namin natanggalan. Mga bago yan dito. Bagong hulip. May baon kaming tubig. May baon kaming sound system. Yan dito, kawayan na lahat.